Dun, 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 dun. Oh. It's a little bit wet outside, and we're just walking my dog. Yeah, it's pretty fun. I mean, walking the dog is actually really fun. It's really cool. You can see that walking in sandals, and we're just walking my dog. Let me grab a bag real quick. Oh, ew, so wet. By our house we have wet bags, so not actually wet bags. They're not supposed to be wet. It's just because the rain here, and yeah, that's really it. I mean, catfish here. Thingy-majig, go. All right. Alright, so it's kind of rainy here, so I have to kind of have to grab a bag, cause wait, I don't know what I'm talking about. It really was pouring here, and so, oh my God, don't chase birds. So it was raining over here, and there's outside bags just like in the middle of the grass. So I grabbed one. It was all super wet. It was really wet. It did not feel good. It felt soggy, and that's not how the bags usually feel. And yeah. This whole video is just me walking. Oh my God.